So we tested the fan to know if it is working, and it showed no sign of working. So we have to lose the coil and check the fault. You see the coil, so we have to read it and confirm, and it's not reading. So this shows that the coil has problem, it has fault. So we have to lose all the coil to bring it out. One bolt seems to be hard, so we use this chemical agent to lose it. So we have to lose the fan blade so we can bring the coil out. So this is the coil. So we are rewinding the coil now. We cut out the coil with a saw. We drag the wire out of the slot. We remove the bond paper. And we did a fresh lamination on the stator. So you have to fold your paper, bend it, make it equal to the slot, and then you fix it. So that's all about lamination. So this is the wood that we use for the wire counting. So to take a format, you have to use the stator. You put it, then skip two slots. So you do it for side, then you get the format. After doing this, you can use your hand to count the wire, or you can use machine. We use machine to count the wire. So we have to fix it on our machine. And start our counting. So with this machine we count 45. 1 ton contain about 12 one ton of the machine contain about 12 or more than. So with hand, counting with hand is about 400 and let me say 450. You can count it, depend on the slot size. So this one slot, the running is 4 slots, the starting is 4 slots. For small fan, and that's, so you have to count it for. So we complete the running parts for slot. So you gently remove the nail so you won't cut wire. So you cut out the slot each. So after then you have to start your slotting. You have to be very careful because this is a tiny gauge. A little mistake, the wire will cut. Then you use your cover paper to lock it. So this is how to lock it. So this is the process you're going to take to fix all the wire into the slot. You don't have to rush it, you don't have to be fast, gentle, so that you won't cut the wire. So you have to use your tape. This taping helps to make the coil look fine, and it also helps to trace the wire when one of the slot is not reading. It helps to detect the fault immediately. So you have to use your tape if possible, but it's not compulsory. So this, when we fix this starting and the running, So now to the connection side. You gently scrape the wire or okay, this is the connection for this one. First you have to bridge all the top like to the running. You bridge the top of the running. So this is the top, this one to this side, so this is another top. You can see it, this is it. So top, so again this side, the top is this one, top to top here. You can see it here, you can see it. So once you bridge the top, then you bridge also the bottom, that is the end and the end. So once you bridge it, then two end will come out like this. So this is the two end of the running, this one and this one, So let's read it. This is the two end that will come out, that is from the running, this one and this one. So let's read it with me. So you bring the bottom of the starting, and that will be the speed 1. Okay, so the bottom will be speed 1. So the top will be speed 2. Then you now bridge one starting, which is the button with running, which is button 2. You bridge it, this will be the speed 3, and this one will now go to capacitor, that is capacitor permanent, and this will be the light and capacitor. So that's all about connection. Okay, in this video you will see a diagram by the side of this video. You can use the diagram to do the connection. So after doing this one side connection, you have to also do the output connection. Label the wire, speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, capacitor, as you can see in the diagram book. So same, that's what you have to do. The wire that will go to light, the wire that will go to capacitor, you have to label it, so to avoid mistake. Make sure you cover the joints. You can cover it with a sleeve or you use tape. That is speed 3, speed 2, speed 1. That is the capacitor and the light. So you have to bound the coil with a rope, tie it with a rope. Tying the coil with a rope helps to hold the wire and also help so that the wire will not be cut when the coil is working. So this tying is very important, and it is something you have to do to all the coil. And this tying have to be gentle, because at this process you can also cut wire. You don't have to draw the rope very well, just bound it small so that it will not cut, because this is a tiny gauge. You have to do everything with care. So now we have to confirm the reading. Yes, so all of them are reading, so this show that it is okay. Now we have to couple the coil. We couple and test it to know if we did the correct thing. You put the rotor, you put the covers, and you tie the bolt just as the way you loosed it. You coupled everything back. So then you have to do the connection to the speed, connect the speed and also the capacitor, and to the lights as well. Then you have to tape all the joints. Make sure all the joints are well covered. Then you couple your coil, couple your fan the way you loosed it. Put the blade, tie the blade, and then cover your fan and then test it. Let's see. So if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our page, and also like, comment and share this video. So this is the result. Now let's test the speed. 3